everyone! Welcome back to the CINCH Tips Series. In today's video, we're talking about group linking, one of the most powerful tools in CINCH Quilt. Linking groups lets you make quick changes to one group and instantly apply them to all its linked copies. It's a huge time saver when working on repeat patterns or complex designs. Let's walk through how it works. For this example, let's use this design. Now, let's duplicate this block. First, we will use Duplicate Linked. Right-click on this block, choose Duplicate, and then select Duplicate Linked. You'll see a copy of the group appear on the canvas. But here's the important part. This new group is automatically linked to the original. That means any edits we make to one will instantly update in the other. For now, let's delete that duplicate so we can show another way to link. Next, let's try the Repeat tool. Again, right-click on the block and choose Repeat. In the options that pop up, choose Repeat every other space. Now, notice that there's an option for linked groups. If you leave that enabled, CINCH Quilt will create a whole set of repeated groups that are all linked together. This is perfect for filling out a quilt layout quickly while keeping everything consistent. Now, let's take a closer look at how linked groups are organized. Open the Design Group Sidebar on the left. We'll look for the group of the duplicated block. Here. Then, if I expand Group 1, we'll see a list of its child groups underneath. As you hover over each one, the corresponding group will highlight on the canvas. Super handy for keeping track of what's what. At the bottom of the child list, you'll notice a button that says Delete All Linked Groups. Clicking this removes all the child groups but keeps the parent intact. This is especially useful if you used the Repeat tool and want to reset everything without starting completely over. Now, here's the real power of linking. Any changes you make to one group will automatically apply to all linked groups. For example, if you go inside one group and add a shape or patch, you'll see those same changes appear in every other linked group. Or try using the color painter on the main canvas, paint a few patches in one block, and instantly, every linked group updates with the same color. It's a fast way to stay consistent across your entire quilt. Sometimes, you may want a group to stand on its own. Right-click on a linked group and choose Unlink. That group is now independent. Edits to it won't affect the others anymore. So that's group linking in CINCH Quilt. Use Duplicate Link or the Repeat tool to create linked groups. Manage parent and child groups from the sidebar. Edit once and update everywhere, and then link whenever you need to make a group independent again. It's a simple feature but incredibly powerful for building consistent professional quilt designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next CINCH tip.